Generative AI has captured the attention of the entire business world. The term large language model has become a part of everyday language, and companies know that now is the time to form an AI strategy. But where are the challenges that lie ahead? My name is Robert Kelley, and in this video we will cover some of the AI and data challenges that are prevalent today. Additionally, I'll provide an overview of our strategy to provide you with some tangible direction to take. So exactly what are the challenges that many companies are facing as they begin to focus on AI? Here are a few that we see. Number one, is my company's data ready? The past 2 to 4 years have seen an incredible rise in the use of data lakes and analytics platforms, creating a centralized approach to capturing important company information and making it available to anyone that wants to analyze it. For the companies that made the investment to develop these analytics platforms, their efforts are now rewarded with a position to immediately dive into AI. If those investments have not yet been made by your company, or if your company has failed in a successful rollout of an analytics platform, then you may not be ready for a full-fledged immersion into AI. Issues like missing data, low data integrity, a lack of transformations, and little to no defined canonical models now make their way back to the top of the priority list for your IT and/or innovation departments to tackle. AI assumes that good data is ready and available for use, so the dependency of a good analytics platform must be addressed and resolved first. Unfortunately, there's no cheating here. Architectural designs must consider the entire enterprise and all systems that generate critical data. Budgets, ongoing operational costs, and managing large volumes of data must also be considered, because product vendors and cloud service providers would love nothing more than for you to inefficiently manage and store your data, leading to larger bills and higher costs. You need expertise to ensure there's an architecture in place that leads to a successful rollout of a solution and has raised your level of data maturity. With a solid analytics platform in place, you are ready to take the next step into the world of artificial intelligence. Number two, what are my competitors up to? So, you have good data and a platform that can readily enable AI solutions. But what's the rush? Do I really need to move now? Well, the answer to this question really depends on knowing what your competitors are doing. In some industries, there are already trained learning models that are used extensively. Many companies are also expediting the development of generative AI solutions. For example, in the banking and finance industry, Gen AI solutions being used in customer service, fraud detection, and regulatory compliance. If you are in banking and finance and you have not yet begun to execute an AI strategy, you are already behind. Some industries may not be as advanced as fintech, but it is important to understand that these technologies can act as major disruptors. If you're not first to market with a critical service or feature that only AI can deliver, then your company will need to respond immediately or risk losing market share. In the past, companies would have months or years to react to an innovation brought to market by a competitor. Today, responses are measured in days and weeks, not in months or years. And awareness of the pace of change in business is very important, and that means it generally makes sense to execute on AI strategies now. Number three, what are the use cases? Once you have good data and an understanding of how your industry is impacted by the pace of AI innovation, the next step is to identify the high-value use cases that will use artificial intelligence. Generative AI solutions are relatively easier to implement because the use cases are somewhat simpler and the business case to justify it is more clear. Gen AI use cases are solutions that create time savings and increased communication, such as sales assistants that can provide more insight into prospects and customers, or customer success solutions that provide a 360-degree profile of your customer. There are also automation opportunities, particularly in functions like manufacturing and supply chains. Computer vision use cases can use video or images to monitor activities and ensure high quality and prevention of errors or anomalies. Check out my other videos that cover use case ideas for every major functional area of a typical business. Number four, what technologies should I use? With the rise of AI solutions, companies now face the challenge of identifying the best techniques and technologies for developing AI solutions. Advances continue to emerge that should at least be considered and some implemented. For example, there are competing thoughts around ways to train language models that are used in Gen AI solutions. Fine-tuning involves training the language models on a subset of data that is relevant to the specific business the solution is for, while retrieval augmented generation, or RAG, involves retrieving relevant documents and/or data and using them as context for the language models. Another example is the language models themselves. Large language models, or LLMs, burst onto the scene with the popularity of OpenAI's ChatGPT. Other LLMs are now on the market, including Meta's Llama, Google's Gemini, Mistral, and Claude. Another technology currently in research is the concept of small language models, where LLMs are pared down for specific industries or use cases. A small language model could possibly be deployed on devices such as phones or notebooks, preventing the need for internet connectivity. This could open up many new use cases where internet connectivity is difficult. As new technology changes continue to emerge, architectural decisions will need to be made as solutions are designed. Headstorm would like to partner with you to let our thought leadership, products, and services help guide you through this exciting yet complicated set of business opportunities. Our AI Star service works with senior leadership to develop AI strategic roadmaps for technology. An AI Star can help a company become proactive and use AI to provide first-to-market products and services that fuel company growth. Headstorm has also developed a generative AI engine called AIpilot. The AIpilot engine acts as an accelerator, providing all the required Gen AI technologies right out of the box, saving significant portions of time and money so attention can focus on the right use cases that meet internal or external customer needs. Let Headstorm partner with you to architect and construct the right solution to not only fuel your AI initiatives, but also provide visibility to information that helps companies make better decisions. We hope you find this information helpful and gives you a few ideas to move forward. Finally, if your company needs to catch up on its analytics platform capabilities, let Headstorm partner with you to architect and construct the right solution to not only fuel your AI initiatives, but also provide visibility to information that helps companies make better decisions. We hope you find this information helpful and gives you a few ideas to move forward. Thank you for your time.